We had the most people sign up for our email list ever. You are trying to learn the t-shirt clothing business and you don't know where to start and what to do. All right, follow me. I'll give you some do's and don'ts on running a clothing business. All right, here we go. Let's talk about banking. First of all, go to your local small business bank or your local community bank, and or just look on the web and go with a bank that don't charge you fees. That's one mistake that we did. We went to PNC not knowing, thinking, okay, they a big bank, they can help us out with a small business, da da da. But in the long run, they kept hitting us with fees, 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 fees. And we just didn't know. We were just new. So we thought that what we were supposed to do. No, you don't have to do that. A lot of if the banks ask you to pay fees to work with them or have a high minimum amount, don't go with them. Go to like a smaller bank or your community bank. Most likely they don't have fees. Do your research and look them up and see the benefits that they have. Okay, the pros, the cons, all that. All right. Don't compare yourself to the next person. I fall into that trap. I think a lot of people fall into that trap. Um, don't compare yourself to the next person because their journey is their journey, your journey is your journey, and what you don't know what they had to been through to get to the place they are at, and vice versa. If you focus on your lane and your vision, what you're trying to get to, and take it step by step, you'll get there. But you will get distracted and wondering or getting jealous or wondering why you can't do what they doing. It ain't your time yet. It ain't your time. Believe in it. Believe in what you are putting out. Let it marinate. It's going to get there. It's going to get there, but just it ain't going to help you at all. It's going to be more discouraging that you see everybody else, and you trying to compare yourself with what everybody else is doing with the Sarahs and the Jimmys of the world, and you trying to get there as fast as possible. You're going to get there, but you got to still master those steps to get to that finish line, to get to that point where you're trying to be. I know you're trying to do this on a regular basis. I know you're trying to do this as your main job, but you got to master those steps. You got to master those techniques. You got to learn how to market. You got to learn how to do the books. You got to learn how to do taxes. You're going to have to learn how to press or talk to other business ventures. All right? Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to try risks. Okay? Don't be afraid like, oh, I don't want to mess up on this, so I ain't going to try that. Try it. You might like it. You might not. It might be a big success. It might not. But it don't hurt to try and try it more than once. You got to give yourself some chances, all right? Or you want to stick to a certain type of design and you scared to branch out a little bit. That's the beauty of this game. You got a blank canvas. Use that mug. Use it. Just use it. So, expand your palette. Open up your creative juices. It's okay to try stuff. It's not okay for you not to try. That's the issue. If you never try anything, how you plan to succeed? I mean, you got to feel that some things to just learn from them. You can't be batting 1,000. I'm sorry, there's nobody that does. So if you worried about failing on something, you're going to fail. But you just got to keep up and get up and keep going. That's all you have to do. So go out there, try something, learn something, do something. All right? Being on trying something new, marketing. Marketing, I'll say this because I'm trying to do this new marketing tactic where my wife, she does amazing artwork. We go into Walmart, have them put it on canvas, put it on a canvas, and we're gonna do like a social media, like a local thing, and try to do a giveaway. But the trick is, you gotta sign up for our email list. So it goes to this: you market with a goal. Just don't market just so people can buy your stuff. You mark in the end, yes, you want people to buy your stuff, but in the end, but you gotta have a goal. Like my goal is like last vendor event, we did a test run. We had a print, we had two prints, we had a raffle, so basically I'm like, oh, sign up for your email list, you're gonna be in there a chance to win this contest. People will sign up. We had the most people sign up for our email list ever in all our vendors events doing that. So we have an email list. So we're going to send them later down the line, once a month and stuff like that. Keep them up on deals, and that's one thing we're going to try to do, like a deal each month that they only know whoever on the email list has, and that's gonna be an add-on to whatever deals we do in the public. So they get like the insider thing. So it's a benefit on being on the email list. So I say that to say this is tip: get an email list by any means. Get an email list so you can contact these people on a regular, so they be a return customer. The goal is to get return customers and then get word of mouth. Lastly, the last one: keep learning. Keep learning. Keep learning new techniques. Keep learning what's new, what's not, what's on a trending thing. You don't have to do it right now, but you'll know the knowledge. Okay, like we do custom work on the side. The problem was we don't like to do one-offs. A lot of people want to do one-offs that we knew. Like, oh, we just want this shirt, want that shirt. And then I wasn't really comfortable with the DTF, but then I was trying to keep up with the new technology, what new companies are doing, and Transfer Warehouse, Transfer Express. My bad. Transfer Express has a new DTF, so we tried it, liked it. I'm like, from now on, we'll use them for the one-offs, and that way we could charge somebody a reasonable price. So I'll say always keep learning, and that's one of our last tips for today. I mean, if you enjoy what you learned, if you didn't, let me know. Put it in the comments. But if you did, like it, share it, tell your friends about it. And like I said, enjoy the game. I love you. Peace.